1 second, you're watching this video. The next, poof, everything goes dark. No Google, no Instagram, not even your smart fridge knows what to do. You don't just lose cat memes, you lose planes, hospitals, banks. Even your GPS forgets what Earth looks like. The internet isn't just some magic in the cloud. It's a web of fiber optic cables stretching across oceans, satellites blinking in orbit, and millions of physical servers humming day and night. All that so you can binge 5 hours of Planet Earth in 4K. Worth it? Totally! And holding it all together? Protocols like BGP and DNS, the invisible traffic cops of the internet. Take down either, and it's like erasing every signpost on Earth. The first minute is confusion. The first hour, panic. Planes can't navigate. Banks can't access your money. News can't reach anyone. And suddenly, people start hoarding toilet paper again. In 1 hour, supply chains freeze. In 1 day, the stock market flatlines. By the end of the week, cities run on rumors and diesel fumes. T plus 1 hour. Traffic systems fail. GPS dies. No signal, no updates, just confusion. Humanity's dependency exposed in a single silent hour. T plus 1 day. Grocery stores stripped. Digital payments are useless. People trade batteries for bread. The collapse spreads, 1 offline minute at a time. T plus 1 week. Cities dark. Radios hum with static. Smoke replaces streetlights. The world's heartbeat, silenced by the absence of connection. Governments scramble. Emergency broadcasts replace TikTok dances. The world is still spinning, but it's definitely offbeat. Could you call a friend without your contacts app? Navigate without Google Maps? Work without Zoom? Okay, maybe some of you would love that last one. But our dependence isn't just social, it's structural. The world runs on the web. Without it, we're Flintstones with iPhones. What if the shutdown wasn't an accident? What if it was an attack? Could the internet be taken down on purpose? Absolutely. The infrastructure was never built for war. Global attacks have already begun. Nation-states, rogue hackers, digital mercenaries, each probing weak points, fiber cables, satellite links, root servers. Just a few strategic strikes, and civilization blinks offline. Cyber weapons can target undersea cables, satellites, DNS infrastructure, and poof, a digital blackout. The next world war might not use bombs. Imagine a hostile actor hijacking the root DNS servers or flooding Tier 1 ISPs with coordinated DDoS attacks. That's not science fiction. It's cyber warfare in progress. But here's the twist. What if it wasn't all bad? Families talking at dinner again. Kids playing outside. A slower, more human pace of life. Could we rebuild something better? Something unplugged? Maybe we'd rediscover what it means to truly connect. No Wi-Fi required.